Hi, I am Mario and today I'll be talking to you about my object-oriented programming midterm assignment. This program is designed to visualize and predict weather data using a command line interface. As you can see, I have now run the program on my terminal and they have prompted me with a few things that I can choose to do. And we'll be looking at the four tasks that we are tasked to carry out today. Firstly is the task of being able to compute the candlestick data info. As you can see, when you put in the necessary figures such as 80 temperature, which is the country, the period 5 years, and then you can see that and entering the period of yearly, you can see that we will obtain the open, high, low, and closing temperatures for each year specifically. Following which, we will also be able to see that for task number 2, which is to create a text-based plot, we will be plotting a type of graph, a candlestick graph, based on the inputted figures by the user. In this case, it is 80 temperature and yearly. The vertical lines are drawn between the high and low values of the candlestick. This is achieved by iterating from a high Y to a low Y and setting the corresponding cells in the plot lines in the vertical line. The open and close prices are marked with brackets, and the open and close prices are same. A horizontal line is drawn across them. If they differ, separate brackets are placed at the open and close positions. And as you can see, for our third type of figure that we're supposed to do is to filter info and plot the data. Here we are discussing the first 15 days of the 1980 of January of 1980, and then we are trying to figure out the data between minus 10 degrees and minus 2 degrees, and these are the days and times that have that data, and they are represented by different stars to show how much temperature it was, how the temperature was during the day. And as for our fourth task, which is to predict and plot the info, we are also looking at the first 15 days of the January in 1980, and we are predicting the next 5 days that are to come afterwards. And as you can see at the end of it, these 5 days are predicted according to the data that we have above. This is my project. Thank you so much.